Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today doing a quick video. I just picked up these Duratrax Lockup buggy wheels and tires. They come pre-mounted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount them here on the Arrma Raider XL. Also picked up some hex adapters because this is running 8th scale hexes basically. Kind of the wheel size is all 8th scale. This is an 8th scale buggy, however, the wheels on it, which I'm replacing because I'm chewing through them pretty quick. A lot of power coming out of this buggy. So anyways, the wheels and the tires that I'm putting on are 8th scale. Everything on here I think is 10th scale, pretty close to it. The whole buggy's scaled up, but a couple things on here still are 10th scale. So anyways, thanks for watching. What we're going to do today is go ahead and install these, put the hex adapters together, see how those go together, and if all goes well, we should have it together without too much trouble. So as you can see, the new wheels and tires a little bit bigger than the old ones, although actually when you put them right on top of each other with the tire treads, actually it'd probably be pretty close. But yeah, these are the new wheels and tires are a little bit bigger. And I think I mostly got it figured out. So the adapter really has two pieces. This is your inside. It goes inside the wheel like this. You can see it's got the little teeth on there. Those match up right in where the hex would go. Okay, and then you can see this has the adapter for the smaller size hex. So you put that inside your wheel first, right, like so. Fits in real nice. When it lines up straight, mine's getting a little wonky here, but it'll get straight. Okay, and then this is your top part. This just goes inside right there. And so far the only part I haven't figured out is what to do with the grub screw. There's a little grub screw that goes in there. Guess we'll put together here and find out just how it holds together. And again, this is Arrma Raider XL. Really excited to try out some new tires and wheels on it. Duratrax and Arrma, I believe, are owned by the same parent company, so still keeping it in-house, just trying to see some other options and get a little bit different look. And maybe a little bit cheaper. Sometimes you can save money by switching up and going to a different brand for some of these things. Anyways, let's put it on and see how it works. Alright everybody, I think I got it figured out here. So just like we said before, the adapter for the hex goes right on there. Put the wheel on, and then you want to put the end part on there. And the grub screw goes in after you tighten this down. It helps keep the pressure on. One thing I found working on this already is that on the Arrma Raider XL, the amount of threads you have is, well, there's not a lot there to work with. So what you got to do is grab a pair of vice grips or a pair of pliers or even a vise, and you want to make sure that is nice and pushed in against your hub right there, because otherwise, or your knuckle right there, because otherwise you're not going to have enough threads when you put the wheel on. So what it looks like is you just go ahead and put it on like that, and then just go ahead and squeeze. Well, yeah, just make sure you squeeze it on nice and good so it's really pressed on there. Otherwise you're not going to have enough threads. Okay, so that's on there. Bear with me while I grab another wheel here. Okay, and then I always like to make sure that I've got the edges pointed up, so that way when I put the wheel on I can see it nice and easy. Okay, go ahead and put that on. This fitment isn't as good as I like it to be. I always like to have like a little bit of feedback when I put on a wheel into the hub like that, or the hex, and it's on there, it's just it's not seated very well. Yeah, anyways, let's see if I can take a look, make sure. I want to make sure it's on there before I really start putting any pressure on there. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so there we go. Grab the end piece here. There we go, there's one. Let's see if we got enough room to put this on. Yep. Oh, maybe not. I felt it for a second. Basically, you'll feel it get tight. after about a turn or two, quarter turn. Yeah, see, right now I'm just spinning. So anyways, what I have to do is figure out a way to get just a couple more threads on there so I can get it on there. After you put that part in, go ahead and put the grub screw behind it, help keep it on. This has been Monkey Films. Thanks for watching. This is how to install your Duratrax lockups on Arrma Raider XL.